Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing and I just wish it good for you guys. So today's video is gonna be a very helpful video and not much, but yes, a requested video. So it's gonna be about all the apps that I use to edit my pictures or videos for my Instagram or Facebook or things like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. I'm gonna look into my phone continuously and look down and not look in the front, and a video will go here whatever I'm doing in my phone. You guys can see here. So yeah, now let's start. So this is the folder that I have on my phone. Editing apps. I made it up. I have a lot of apps, but honestly I don't use all of them. So let's start with Snapseed. Let's take this picture, and it also has some presets, like you can use portrait, but you cannot adjust anything in the presets, so I usually don't use it. So what I do is I go to tools. I'm not saying that I am a pro at this, but yeah, I can do something. So you can tune your image, like basic editing, like the brightness, contrast and everything like that. And then my favorite part is either I go to vintage or either I go to grainy film. Let's go to vintage first. I use it because I like to give my pictures a little vintage feel. So either I use 4 or 5 because they have like teal shades going on, and you can also adjust brightness and everything. You can also adjust style strength, like how strong you want your style to be. You can also adjust vignette, like vignette is like the black, what do you say, it's like a black, black smoke kind of thing in front of your picture. Yeah, that is how I explain things. So yeah, once you're satisfied with it, you can just go and export it. So now let's go to grainy film. So it has everything with grains, obviously. So what I like is A04, but I don't think it's looking pretty good. So you can just decrease the grain, and you can increase or decrease the style strength. I'm just gonna decrease it to 25. Let's keep it 25. Now let's compare the original. You can do it from here. Can you see the difference? I can. So editing is very subjective. Maybe the thing that I like, you may not like that. So you can edit your pictures any way you want to. These are the apps that I like to use, and then you can just export it. You will go to export, creates a copy with permanent changes, and it will save your image in JPG format. So yeah, so in short, the most used app by me is InShot. To square all my pictures, to square all my videos. In fact, that is what I like about this app. It edits videos, it edits photo, it has this collage feature. I think it's just amazing, and you don't even have to pay for it. Like, you have to pay for it if you don't want the watermark on your pictures. So if you are doing some basic editing, like this one, like with white background, there won't be any watermark. This is what I do for my Instagram. They have some cool filters. My favorite is story, so you can adjust it, and if you're gonna click again on it, so you can decrease the style strength also. And you can go to effect and add mirror effect. You can go to effect and add mirror effect or RGB, that vibe, that grungy vibe to it. So, and they have some paid features also, so if you can go for it if you really want to. Then for Instagram, I edit my videos on this as well. So let's take this one. I can add background. I can make this background blur, or I can make, if I don't want to make it blur, I can use this video as well as my background, and then I'll go to canvas, and then I can shift my original video to a little side, so it will give this kind of effect. Also, I edit my Insta stories sometimes using this app. I'll choose 9:16 here because that's the ratio of your screen. And then what I'll do is decrease the size of my original video and take it in the middle and go to background. And I can change it to any color I want to. Let's take this one. So this is how it's gonna look. And now I can just save it. The another app that I use is Facetune. You can actually change the backdrop of your picture. You just have to be a little careful. So yeah, I really love their filters. Like my favorite are FG2 and FG1 and sometimes FG5 also. So yep, you can, in this also you can, you know, increase or decrease the style strength and compare what it was and what it is now. Let me choose another picture to change the background. Let's choose this one. Let's crop it a little. Let's take this one. Go to backdrop. It's a VIP feature, guys. I had it first, but now I'm not subscribed to it, so I'm just gonna show. So first you gotta remove like whatever you wanna change. Are you able to see it? Like it is changing the background of it. It does half of your job. It makes it really easy to, you know, change the background. You can zoom your picture for the little areas, and like, can you see that I accidentally removed my hand, so I can use the eraser and bring it back like that. So from the, you can choose backdrops from here, like this one or this glittery one. It's not covered properly. Or you can choose a photo also, like for the background, like this. I know it's not funny. So yeah, but I think I made my point. So you can do this. It's kind of easy, but you won't be able to save it because you are not going. So yeah, it works like that. Another app that I like for my Insta stories is this height type. So you can select a story, suppose this one I have selected. So double tap to write anything, and let's write OOTD. Can you see the text style? So you can go to this T icon and you can actually choose the color palette you want. Let's choose this one. So, and the style, whatever style you want to choose. Let's see what I like. I like this one, so, but it's not visible. So I'm gonna stick to this one. So yep, once you're done, you can click here and save it and then just upload it on your Instagram. Another app that I like is this 8mm. It's a vintage camera. Can you see it? Yep. Another app that I like is Briller. It gives that blingy thing, you know, that kira kira effect, which was like everywhere on the internet. What? Am I not? Yeah. So yeah, that is how it works. One more thing that I like is iPhone's own editor. It's like you go to edit and you go to this thingy and go to light and then go to black point. I have already edited a little, like, can you see it? Can you see the difference? Like it highlights all the darker area nicely. I just like using this feature. So yeah, that was it about the video. I really hope you guys liked it and find it helpful. Comment down below if you already use any of the app and if you're gonna try any of the app, because I think these apps are really helpful. And if you really like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends, and yeah, you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a reason why you can subscribe to my channel. It's free. Yeah, it's free. So, and it will make me feel good. Like, हम तो चाहते हैं ना हम दूसरों को अच्छा फील कराएं, so that खुद को अच्छा फील हो. So do it. Okay. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification button so that every time I'm on YouTube you will know. And yep, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.